Bitcoin prices are absolutely dumping. Is this time to sell all your Bitcoin and all your cryptos? That's what we're talking about today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am your host, Umar Khan. And if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously. Today, we're talking about what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. Is this the end of Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin dumping? Is all crypto going to end from here? Well, that's what the media is trying to sell to you. And today, we're going to go over some of the FUD and whether or not you should be buying the dip or selling your entire bags. But like I said, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And like always, it's not financial advice. Let's jump right into things. So we see in the overall crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is trending at number 3. And again, this spot is usually reserved for meme coins, but we see Bitcoin has stolen this spot as a lot of eyes and a lot of tension are on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin down nearly 10% on the week. We see a lot of coins are down. Ethereum down 5%, losses $3,000 mark. Bitcoin loses support level of $60,000. Fear and greed index, we're currently at a 52, which is crazy low. We're basically in greed. Sorry, we're basically in fear, the opposite of greed, because we were dancing around extreme greed just a couple of weeks ago, like at least like weeks before coming to the halvening, and now we're sitting at neutral, which basically means we're in fear. People are panic selling. When you're looking at the technicals, you can see as well, I've never seen this with Bitcoin in so long, but the moving averages are at extreme sell, so strong sell. Aussies are at sell. Summer is also at sell. People are dumping on Bitcoin, and even when looking at the chart, guys, it's actually crazy to see. This might be a solid opportunity to enter. In terms of the week, we're down 12%. The month, we're down 18%. In the 6 months, we're still up because obviously we made some massive gains. But again, this might just be a crazy point to enter. The fact that for the week, guys, we are down a whopping 12%. This might be a very strong candle indicating that we are going to see a pump. As again, we're lowering this price. A lot of people that bought in for the post happening are gone. A lot of ETFs are still holding. So again, there's still a lot of volume. This might be a perfect price point to enter on Bitcoin. We can even see so much Bitcoin news being covered in the media, good and bad, right? Bitcoin prices fall before technical signal in flash red. This could be a rough week for crypto. Bitcoin trades around 57K. Market dropped 6% to the run up to the Fed decision. $30 million perfect storm. Bitcoin price under $60,000. All right, and then also then the Cathie Wood raising her prediction to $2.3 million. So we're seeing it all across the board, but there's a lot of red news, there's a lot of bearish news, there's a lot of bullish news. It's just overall figuring out what's the market, right? Bitcoin trades around 57K, market drops 6% in run up to the federal decision. Cathie Wood raises her investment prediction to $2.3 billion by 2030, which is very, very bullish, right? And when we're looking at Twitter, guys, again, there's so much bullish news for Bitcoin, right? Obviously, this we just covered, but the Hong Kong markets opened just a couple of days ago and caused Bitcoin to pump suddenly. Australia approves their spot for Bitcoin ETFs by the end of 2024. We can see the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF was going live just a couple of days ago, right? There's so many. We can see even MicroStrategy has acquired another 112 Bitcoin, a total of 214,000 Bitcoins. The point I'm trying to make is this is a flash sell meant to just cause people to panic and worry. Long term, I don't think this is going to matter. If you're in it for the long haul, I think we're definitely gonna, this bull market, gonna go back to 70K, maybe even past 80K, maybe even past 100K. I don't think this is the end of the market. A lot of people are gonna say, sell your bag now. And those same people are gonna load up on your losses, especially if you bought at any price above right now. So if you bought at $60, $61, $62,000, you should absolutely not be selling. Now, if you bought it at $40,000, $30,000, and you're afraid it's going to continue to crash, that's on you. But when it does pump, don't be the guy saying, oh, I shouldn't have sold, because unfortunately, that's what happens. These are market maker moves. Remember, a lot of ETFs, a lot of trust funds, a lot of massive corporations are now into Bitcoin. So they could also be playing around with the numbers. They could also be dumping and selling to each other. So just market manipulation is going to be a thing. But overall, crypto market, guys, in the long term, it's going to be okay. This is actually great opportunities to buy in a lot of projects. Any project that's down more than 20-30% may be a great time to load up. Now, like always, not financial advice, always your own research and due diligence. But let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole in the comment section below. Do you think it's over? Do you think it's going to continue to dump? Or do you think it's just a small bump in the road? That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Omar. Peace. Cue the dog.